Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of MikeMbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business to the next level, and of course your life to the highest level. If making money online is your intention and your desire, here on my channel, I review products, software products, training courses, and anything that will help you make money online. Today I have another amazing product, a traffic product called SpeeeD. And this product is going live on the 24th of May 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this very product, SpeeeD, is going live. They are being pushed out there by the great affiliate, Mbadiwe. And in a nutshell, is an application, a software that is going to help you, a traffic software that will help you tap traffic from the platform called Quora, where you have millions of users who ask questions and receive answers and answers to questions. So it's a crazy done for you traffic arrangement which this software is going to help you harness, because without traffic there is no way you can make money, offline or online business. Okay, so this is exactly what it does. Traffic app that will drive traffic from Quora as a platform made up of millions of users, and of course this is going to be yours as a traffic. And if this is as such a product that you would like to have, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link definitely will take you to my bonus page, which is exactly where we are right now. This is my bonus page. When you get here using that link on my description area, the first link, you have to grab SpeeeD with this very button or any of the other buttons scattered all over this page. And when you do, it will take you to the amazing sales page of this very one, which will help you actually begin to click out and check out on this one. When you get to the sales page using the link on my bonus page, you will definitely have access to the sales page where you can use any of these links like this very one to check out on this product. And when you do, under your purchase history on my WordPress account, you'll be able to have a page under your purchase history that will give you access to two buttons, where you have the purchase button on the green, which is the product SpeeeD itself, and here you have access to the amazing bonuses that I'm going to show you. These are the bonuses that I will show you in a very short while, so that you can see everything is lined up to complement with SpeeeD as a product. Now, the question I believe you are asking in your mind is, what is SpeeeD all about? However, before I go into what it's all about, I will show you, if you stick with me, the sales page like I've told you already, and of course you could see, be able to also see the demo, and of course the members area, the software itself, which is exactly where we are right now, and be able to see particularly a demo of how this product works when it is in action. Okay, with that said, let us take a little look at about how this product and what it's all about. The creator, Mbadiwe, says the most powerful one-click traffic app ever created. The world's first AutoPilot Quora-Machine that gets you free viral traffic in few seconds. Definitely that will take a little time. I don't believe that 26 seconds is enough, so definitely a couple of minutes you'll be able to begin to set it up and begin to harness the very traffic from Quora-Machine as a platform that will give you access to millions of users. Now, it says that it's going to work without tech skills, manual work, or huge costs on your part. And of course, like I told you before, any of these links will get you access. It gives you access to a one-click AutoPilot viral traffic, early users seeing instant results, Attain financial peace of mind, no tech skills and no extra cost, and you can quit your job when you want and be able to replace it with income you make from here. And of course, you have, according to the creator, 365-day money-back guarantee. And with that said, I will now go ahead to show you the pricing for this one. The front end goes for $22, and it will give you access to this very software, which is the members area. And of course, that will give you exactly the training that you need to get this set up and begin to make money using the traffic from Quora. Now, upsell number one would be $39, which is unlimited version of the front end, which is very much advisable that you get this if you get this, because if there are limitations on the front end, you'll be able to cover it with this unlimited version, just $39. And here, upsell number two will be done for you. Everything is set up for you. You don't have to lift a finger. The support will set this up, and you become they give you the ability to make money on AutoPilot. And of course, here you have the auto done for you traffic. which is 57. Everything is set up for you, and of course you have done for you traffic. Okay, now you have upsell number 4 for 67. Upsell number 5, the reseller, goes for 197, which means you can resell this product as if it's your own and keep profit on the entire funnel. And now you have the upsell number 6 at the white level, which goes for huge amount of money, 997, which means this product becomes yours. You can change the label, you can change the logo, and market it as yours, okay, on the marketplaces, okay, like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank will of course help people make money online. And now this is these are the basic and benefits you have with this one. And like I told you, it has some refund policy, which says here it says 30-day money back guarantee, but the creator says that you can extend it as much as 365 days. Okay, now here are the bonuses I have for you for this one. Bonus number 1 will be affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, which is a crazy hack. I'm an affiliate marketer myself, and so many people are making money affiliate marketing, and you can learn from scratch how you can set yourself up with this very means of making money online. And my bonus number 2 will be get targeted traffic to any link. Without traffic, there is no business, and this Quora traffic application will help you also get. With this hack of mine tutorial, you will be able to get access to how to use targeted traffic to any link. It can be affiliate link, it can be your blog page, it can be anything, high ticket products, low ticket products, whatever you want out there to make money from. This very targeted tutorial for links will help you get the knowledge you need. And bonus number 3 will be how to create free professional websites, and websites that can where you can embed your affiliate links and of course drive traffic from Quora, which is what SpeeeD is all about, and be able to make money with this money. And of course, with this very hack, you can create websites that you can sell to people as services online on Fiverr and all the marketplaces. Now, here is my bonus number 4, how to get traffic to any link of your choice, which is equally another different hack and tutorial on traffic. Now, the number 5 is how all the vendor bonuses, which I'm going to show you. If you stick with me on the sales page, you'll be able to see what the bonuses from the vendor will be like, which you have access to with this very link number 5. Like I told you, when you use any of these buttons, they will take you to the sales page, where you use the very buttons there to check out on this. When you do, you'll be able to have access to the product, and of course when you click this link, and when you do, under your purchase history on my Warrior Plus account, you'll find a page that looks like this. This one gives you access to SpeeeD, and here you have access to the amazing bonuses that I have shown you. And with that, we can end the review of my bonus page. Here you have the pricing and of course all the bonuses that I have lined up for you. And now let us take a look at the software itself. This is how the software is structured. Here you have the support desk, the training that will set this up for you, and you have the upgrades, the dashboard, the Quora link that will drive the traffic that this product is all about, and you'll be able to make money using this very one as soon as possible. Quora video creator, Quora backlinks, Quora hashtags, connect Facebook and Instagram, and Quora and Facebook. So you have everything is structured for you. Here you have Quora download links and Quora hashtag search and Quora automation campaigns. So basically, with you buying this product, you have automatic access to this dashboard where you can set everything up for you, and of course begin to make money as early as today, tomorrow, whenever you want. And here you have how to get the products that you actually have the links that you use on Quora. These are the products you will be able to find. In fact, I am going to put now the demo video for this so that you can see how it works in action without wasting much of your time on this. After that video, we'll come back to review the sales page and wrap this one up, okay? I'll come back to you just in a moment.
Hey, welcome to the SpeeeD demo video, and it's a brand new traffic software that will get you traffic from Quora. It's a traffic source that not many marketers are using, and it's a great source of free viral traffic. So this is the dashboard, and you can see that you will get a quick overview of this application from the dashboard, and you can see the Quora link downloads number, Quora hashtag search number, and you can see the Quora automation campaigns number. Also, you can get the latest deals from Warrior Plus and ClickBank from the dashboard. You can see that. You can see the sales pages. Also, you can grab the deals from here. and you can see that the left sidebar here, you can see all the features here of this application. And next you can see that the Quora question section. So from here you can add questions, you can give a name to the question, you can select the question category, and you can see the question sample. Then you can see that the Quora link. So from here you can create link of your pages, like you can create the landing pages, you can create the checkout pages, coming soon pages, giveaway pages, opt-in pages, sign up pages, thank you pages, webinar pages. So you can see the free templates here, so no need to worry about that, you can use any of them from here. Then you can see that the Quora video creator section. So from here you can create video using the free template, you can see that, and you can customize the video, you can add images, text, also you can add elements to your video. And you can see that the Quora backlinks. So from here you can create backlinks, and this is how you will get traffic. Also you can create hashtags and you can bring traffic. Then you can connect your Facebook and Instagram account. Also you can share your Quora Autoblast link to 100 social media platform, you can see that. Then you can use the URL shortener feature. From here you can shorten your URL using these two feature. Then you can see that the RSS auto posting section, so you can use this for your auto posting. Then you can see that the email autopilot, SMS autopilot, e-commerce autopilot section, these are the additional feature. Also you can see that the messenger WooCommerce section. Then you can see that the website comparison section, so from here you can compare between two websites. Then you can see the get leads section. So these are the additional features, and this will come with the upgrade version. Also you can see that the DFI template, so you will get this feature with the upgrade version. So this is how you can use SpeeeD and get traffic from the social media platform like Quora and others. Also you can promote your offer using the traffic. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.
Oh yes, welcome back to my channel where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and training courses, and of course anything that will help you make money online. Now this is the amazing sales page for SpeeeD, which you will be able to have access to at your convenience when you eventually purchase this very one using the link in my description area. And remember that when you do, definitely I have the chance of making a small fraction of money as commission from your sale if you use my link, and I will be very, very appreciative of that, okay? Because there are other people who are actually offering the same thing as affiliate marketers online, but I know that I am here as with one sole intention to review products that will help you definitely make money online. At your convenience, you'll be able to go through this page. But for now, let us actually get the very bonuses from the vendor that I promised to give you, so that you see what you have and what you stand to gain from the vendor for this very SpeeeD product. And here we are talking about the super affiliate and creator Mbadiwe, my man, and you will be able to have a look at them. Now here is the free bonus number 1, which is $27 an hour every hour, and here you have the bonus number 2, 26k a day viral event. Bonus number 3 will be newbie to sell in 60 seconds, and bonus number 4 will be a $1 million affiliate. Bonus number 5, the freedom system. So you have 5 amazing bonuses from the vendor, 4 from me. That's 9 crazy bonuses you have to actually make up your mind if this is going to be for you. And with that said, we will come definitely to the end of this one. Like I told you before, if you get here, you'll be able to grab a copy with this link or any of these other links. And I have 5 days from today, which means this very page, bonus page of mine, will become active at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's of course 5 p.m. Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. And of course by that time, this very page and all the links will become active for you to purchase this product. If this is your first time on my channel, I will recommend you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and of course use the bell button for notifications, and I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike on MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here is goodbye, guys.